Okay, thank you. Just 5 minutes at the beginning. I saw it's a 10 minute. But anyway, yeah. So hi everybody. My name is Lester Lee. I'm the founder of thegame.com, also the founder of L2Y.com. So half of my team come from Hobby Exchange. I used to be the head of global institutional business for Hobby, also the CEO of Hobby Europe in London. Yeah, I think in 2021, we first start our Gamefi project called thegame.com. So at the beginning, we tried the market. There are no aggregator there you can search your game or project before they launch their token or their game, right? But for many games, they have pre-launch session usually last for more than like 3 to 6 months. But before they launch their token, you can only search them in Google. So at that time, we think there should be a GameFi market cap for all the different metaverse or gaming project. So that's where at the time we built that, and currently I think we are the largest aggregator with more than 4,000 lists on our platform. So for example, on here you can search the game and then you can click on it. You can see you can check all the token where you can trade them. And also you can check all their data, their on-chain data, their community data, and also their project information, both in English or Chinese, and also see their video shot also. And also you can write a review for them. So this is our first product in 2021. You can also search different trending project by see what is the recently 7-day or 30-day have the most growing address or in all the gaming session. Yeah, and also the 30-day here, right? And this year, we just announced our second round fundraising and also launched our new product called the Game Community. So after we aggregate all the gaming project, we realized we need to help all the user and player to easily find the project is going to launch soon, no matter, and also find an easy way to help them to get the airdrop, no matter MT or token. So we call this the game community a pool of contribution platform. So it means in the future, anything you contribute, you do for a project, you can be checked and can be marked down by our tools. Yeah. So for example, here we totally have sorry. Yeah, we totally have like more than 13 type of different quests. You first the project can say, okay, let us all the community to follow your social media. Second, here you can ask them to download your app. They check in, write some feedback for your project. Here you can incentive your community to create a video for you or write a Medium article or any Twitter article for your project. And here you can guide them to use the function or your website. And here it's more like you can guide your community to use AIGC to create whatever content you wish your community create for you, right? And here you can ask your community to invite more people to join your community. And this one guy is like you can ask your supporter or your community to change their name with your project name inside their Discord name or their Twitter name or their WeChat name or their WhatsApp name, whatever you like. Yeah, and also here we kind of encourage our community to pitch other project or different community for us also. Here, another you can ask community to check whether they are Steam user. Here you can create different quiz, ask your community to read your white paper to answer what about your project. And finally, we also provide the on-chain data check. You can verify each of your data, your community, whether they hold any token, any history in your wallet. And also you can ask them if you want to attract the blue chip MT holder to come to your joint community. You can set a quest like this. If you hold a Juki or BAYC, you can get more point, right? So this community, we currently work with different layer 1 or layer 2. For example, we work with Score, we can create a section on this, lay out all the Score project. And this also provide a guide for the community. If you want to know more about Score or contribute to Score, you can follow the step-by-step to finish all the quests. And then you can rank high in the contribution leaderboard. Yeah. Another function is like for all different games, we also provide the API integration, so they can integrate the in-game data onto our platform. So what achievement your user finish inside your game, they can also be integrated into our platform. So so both the game project can get the data from us, and we can get data from them. And finally, why we do this is like we believe each project, the early contribution is most important for the success of the project. So if we can mark down all the contribution, any influencer or any community member who finish for that project, in the future, in return, they can get incentive from MT airdrop or token airdrop, right? So that's why we say this is a pool of contribution community tool, right? And with this leaderboard and the guild ranking, you can create a competition between different contributors or between different guilds. So they can incent this guild or the member inside your community to compete, to contribute more to you, to try to get the monthly or weekly top contributors thing. Yeah. So we focus on the gaming field first, but we also in the future, I think we can expand to all different projects like MT project. MT project can use our community tool as a tool to help them distribute their whitelist, right? And also DeFi, they can also use this community quest to distribute their token also. Yeah. So we just launched last month, and we just announced our MT Gaming Summer this month, and we already have a first project. We helped them already gain more than 14,000 members, and we also have the biggest community like JKLin. The users already have 25,000. So any project they want to bootstrap their community, or in the future, you want to do different segment to your community, and you can use us too. Just like us, we set VIP 1 to 4. So the more they buy your token, the more they hold your MT, the higher the VIP rank they will be. So that can naturally create different segment between your community. So if they are a robot or general user, they can only get VIP 1. And VIP 2, they need to invite people to join your community. VIP 3, they need to at least buy one of your token or MT. VIP 4, they need to buy a lot of your token. And VIP 5 usually be the super important contributor to your network. So that's how different projects will much better to engage their community. Yeah. So I think, have I enough 5 minutes? I don't want to. Yeah. So maybe I just stop here and let Q&A. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Lester, for the presentation. And for the audience, if you would like to raise any questions, please use the Q&A function to type down your questions, and then Lester will address it live.
So the Q&A is on the open, right? No open question yet.
Yeah, no open question yet. It sounds like a good presentation, and everyone's quite clear. So if no one's raising cash question, then feel free to get connected with Lester in the Telegram group as well, with the link that we posted in the chat box. And if not, then we will pass on to the next one.
Hey, Mia, I think you got an echo.
Yeah, Mia, you can maybe have double sound. Yeah, feel free to reach me on Telegram group. I'm here, I'm there, and we will do more campaign recently in even the bear market. Yeah, but anyway, thank you everybody. Bye bye.